Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on Motorola Moto S50. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time. And now you have to use volume buttons to move to recovery mode and then press power button. And now you have to press power button and volume down button a few times. And you are now in recovery mode, and here you have to use volume buttons to navigate and power button to select. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.